means that is ninth question comes, we are attempting with the lesson of packing. Okay, so packing was written by J.K. Jerome Klapka Jerome. So this is the full form. You can write J.K. Jerome. J.K. Jerome is the author of packing. So about the author as it is Padna, when he was born, when he was died, what is his profession, what is the specific qualities he is having. You need to write about the author as it is. What does summary taste means? Jerome, the author of the lesson, what he says means, as human beings, we are all human beings only, no? Human beings makes small works very complicated. Okay, how we can make our task very complicated? For example, you are failed in some exam, you are failed in some subject. It is not that your life is not ended. Yes, you are having so much life. If I say any route to you, how we can make our small task also very complicated. Human beings makes small task also very complicated. Okay, so what he says means, you need to understand your situation, you need to understand your capabilities. Yes, if you are unable to do one task, you need to understand that, you need to improve to gain that. Yes, antegani it is over, this is the thing, I am not very well in the studies, my life is over, like that you should not be there. Okay, so what does he says means, whatever the relationship with people we are having, we laugh with the people, we cry, we angry, we fight, everything we'll do with the people. Yes, at the end of the day everybody is equal. One day you will die, one day we will also will die. Yes, so whatever the life you are having, life is a very short period. In that short period you need to understand your challenges, whatever the daily challenges you are facing. Yes, whatever the capabilities you are having, whatever the disqualifications you are having. Yes, you are unable to do that work, but your friend is doing that work. You need to understand your capability. Yes, antegani your friend is very very settled, I am not settled, like that you should not be in that behavior. You need to admire your qualities, you need to admire your character, everything. Okay, you need to understand, you need to face the challenges what you are having in the present generation. Okay, so the story, whatever the lesson is, the packing lesson is there, what the author is saying is, life is not perfect with everyone. We can say that your life is very good, you should not say that. Whatever the bad thing you are having in your life, everybody's lives you are having some difficulties. Okay, everybody's life అనేది ఒకలాగా ఉండదు, it is not same like everyone. Okay, so this is the line, you need to write it. You need to make the mistakes, you need to understand the mistake, you should not repeat your mistakes. Yes, so whatever the things you are having, you need to understand that, based on that you need to work on that. Okay, so this is about the packing lesson. So about J.K. Jerome, how they have mentioned about the relationships, how they have mentioned about the human beings characters, you need to understand it. Okay, so about this you need to write 3 sides of your answers in 9th question. Understood?